Congratulations on completing part 1. You've just learned what a lot of people find the most difficult when starting to learn the piano. Before we move on to part 2, we'll quickly go over what we have learned so far. The piano uses the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F and G. When we get to G, we simply repeat from A again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Middle C is the C closest to the center of the keyboard. A piano or keyboard has a number of keys, and these keys have specific names, which we call note names. An interval is the distance or relationship between two notes. An octave is the distance between one note and the same note either above or below. For example, C to C is an octave, G to G is an octave, or A flat to A flat is an octave. A half step is the distance between one note and the very next note either above or below. A whole step is the distance of two half steps either above or below, or simply play a note and miss a note out. For example, the white keys are called natural notes as they sound a natural note as opposed to sharps and flats. The black keys are called accidentals as they need to be raised or lowered in pitch from a natural state. To play a sharp, we raise a note by a half step. For example, we raise the note G by a half step, we get G sharp. To play a flat, we lower a note by a half step. For example, if we lower the note E by a half step, we get E flat. Knowing all the names of the notes is essential when learning to play the piano or keyboard. For that reason, it's important that you can easily locate any note on the keyboard before moving on to part 2.